Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nadia Christina binti Abdullah. My metric number is 109 DKM2A 1013.
Hi, my name is Amnia Zika. My metric number is 09 DKM22F 1017. I'm from DKM2A.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Iman Raisa binti Roslan. My matrix number is 09 DKM22F 101.
Nama saya Nur Amira Nisa binti Abdul Kadir. Nombor matrik saya ialah 09 DKM22F 1083.
The topic we're talking about differentiations. Differentiation is one of the two important courses apart from integrations. Differentiations is a method of finding derivatives of the functions. Differentiations is a process in math where we find the isosceles rate of change in the functions based on of its variables. The most common example is the rate of change displacements with respect to time. We call velocity. The opposite of finding derivative is anti-differentiations. If x is a variable and y is other variable, then the rate of the change of the x with respect to y is given by dy per dx. I think this is the general expansions. Difference phases of the function is a respect as fs equal dy per dx. We're using y equal fs is any functions.
A spherical balloon is being blown up so that its volume increases at a constant rate of 30 cm per cube. When the radius is 12 cm, at what rate is the radius is increasing? The solution is dx over dt equal to 30 cm per second, and the r is 12 cm. So our dv over dt is 4 per 3 pi r cube. So it will become 4 over 3 pi r square, and we differentiate it and it will become 4 pi r square. And we use our formula dv over dt equal to dv over dx multiply dx over dt, and we put all the information and it will become 1 over 4 pi r square multiply 30, and 30 over 4 pi r square, and we put the r, which is 12, in the formula and it will become 0.016 cm.
Has height and radius that constantly changing. Given that cylinder head is 2 times of the radius base, volume of cylinder increase at the constant rate at 80 pi, and the radius given is 3 cm. So has dv per dt equals to 80 pi, and h is 2 pi r, and we differentiate it as dh per dr equals to 2 pi. So the formula is dv per dt equals to dr per dt times dh per dr. 80 pi per 2 pi is equals to dr per dt, which is equals to 40. So that's it. Thank you.
Okay, the second one is applications of differentiations. Okay, I'm going to talk one by one. Okay, first point for application is rate of change can be expressed using differentials. Okay, the second thing is if y is given as a function of x, then y per ds is the rate of change of y with respect to x. The next is problem on rate of change involving time as a variable may be solved by using the all that formula. Last but not least, we will be using the instead of the dx per dy that we used in the previous sections. I think that's all for my session. Thank you.
Question 1. The radius of circle is increasing at the rate of 0.2 cm as -1. Find the rate of change in the area of the circle when its radius is said to be 10 cm. Solution. Given dr per dt equal to 0.2 cm as -1, find dA per dt equal to unknown when r is 10 cm. We know area circle is pi r square. dA per dr equal to 2 pi r. Using the chain rule, dA per dt equal to dA per dr multiple with dr per dt equal to 2 pi r multiple 0.2. And the answer will be 0.2 pi r. When r was 10, we will sub in into the dA per dt equal to 0.4 pi multiple with 10, and the answer will be 4 pi cm square as -1.
In conclusion, differentiation is a method of finding the derivative of the functions. Differentiation is a process in the math where we find the excess rate of change in the function based on the one of its variable. The most common example is the rate change of displacement with respect to time. We always call about the velocity. I think that's all for me. Thank you.